Hey mamas, welcome back to Real Mama Reflections. I'm so glad you're here. This is your space for slowing down, tuning in, and feeling seen in the middle of motherhood's everyday moments. Today's episode is going to be about finding time to do chores. As we know, we're very, very busy and it's very hard to find time to do chores. So let me tell you about a day that I had. It started with folding a basket of laundry around 10 a.m. My 4-month-old was taking a nap, and my 2-year-old was playing nicely with her toys. I had my second cup of coffee in my hand, and all was calm. I felt like one of those rare moments where I could actually get something done. About 10 minutes in, pause number 1, my baby woke up. So I had to go get her from her crib, laid her down next to my 2-year-old in the play area. And I just spent some time, doing tummy time, sitting up time, and just kind of spending some time with them. And that was around about 20 to 30 minutes. It was beautiful because they absolutely adore each other. They smile, they giggle to each other, and it's a very good moment to have those. And I don't want to just rush into that and then leaving it just so I can get something done. So I sat with them for about 20 minutes, adjusting her when she needed it, when she was getting fussy on her tummy. And then, some time passed and I felt like, okay, so let me lay her down. I think I can go finish this laundry now. Not even 5 minutes later, pause number 2. Baby starts crying, time to change a diaper. And then here we go. It's time for a feeding. Well, spoiler alert, I didn't get back to that laundry until after my husband got off work, which is around 4 p.m. So yeah, I started folding a basket of laundry around 10 a.m. and I finished it about 6 hours later. And that's the heart of today's reflection. It's full of stops, starts, redirections, and sacred interruptions. It's responding to the little needs with big love. And it's okay if that means the laundry waits or the dishes wait. Sometimes the real work isn't what's in the basket or what's in the sink. It's what's happening in the space between. So mamas, if your day looked anything like mine, filled with pauses, diaper changes, and rewarming the same cup of coffee 3 times, which I do a lot, I want you to know you're not falling behind. You're showing up, and that's what matters. You're nurturing growing hearts. You're meeting needs. You're doing so much more than you realize in these slow, repeated moments. So give yourself some grace. That laundry, those dishes, that can all wait. Whether it takes you 6 minutes to get back to it or 6 hours to get back to it, you're still being a great mom. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today and reflecting on this moment. If this episode gave you a moment of peace, send it to another mama who might need it too. Join me on Patreon where new episodes drop just for you. Until next time, take a breath, take it slow, and you're doing enough.